just doesn't do it justice. You know? Alright, we're down here in Old Town. Apparently we just missed the ghost tour. Looked like the other YouTuber already had the coverage on it, so alright, had to put my hat on, it was a little cold, but we're gonna give you some video at this scenic downtown. A little art gallery back here. Got a cool little place. A little Sandia Peak. The Albuquerque question is red or green? I don't know why, but everybody wants to know if you're a red or green chili kind of person. Check out these cool vases. Seems like the common theme is everything's closed, but come check this out during the daytime. Looks like a good spot to do a little shopping, a little eating. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow. I don't know if we'll have enough time.